Welcome to Sun and Nail Art Therapy. I hope you have set up your space and finished the steps on the power card. Get yourself comfortable in your seat. Inhale and exhale. After you visualize your empowerment, continue holding this feeling throughout the whole design project. Begin by applying the first coat of empowering white. Wipe off the side of the brush of the bottle's edge to better control the product. Polish full cover gel tips with an even layer of gel. Take your time. Enjoy the process. It is only you. Pause this video if you need more time to finish any step. Feel the power within you to achieve that what you desire. When you finish your application, cure the first coat for 60 seconds under mini LED light. Now apply the second coat of empowering white. Apply product evenly on all 5 tips. Relax your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Enjoy the process. Cure the second coat for 60 seconds. Every time you press the button on mini LED light, it stays on for 60 seconds. Apply a matte top coat. It will give us a perfect surface for watercolor painting. Listen to the serene sound of the background music. Let it empower you even more. Cure matte top coat for 60 seconds. Looks like it's ready. Let's paint empowering nail design. Set everything up. You will need watercolor paint, a paper towel, and a glass of water. Did you fill up your brush with water? If not, press pause and add water to the reservoir. Squeeze a drop of water into red paint. Pick up some paint with your brush. Apply the paint in the circular brush stroke movement to the ring fingernail tip without closing the circle completely. Clean off the excess water using paper towel. Take out extra liquid from the red stroke. Wipe the brush off of paper towel when necessary. Clean up the brush between each color. Squeeze a drop of water onto the pink color next. Apply pink color to the opposite side of the red half circle. Clean off the brush and take out extra liquid. Feel the empowering energy you are now creating in the center of the painting. Squeeze a drop of water onto purple color next. Apply a half circle stroke to the opposite side of the pink color. Clean up the brush and take out extra liquid. Look at this painting coming to life. You're now building the vortex of empowerment. The dark blue color goes next. Continue the same pattern and add a new stroke to the opposite side of the previous one. Feel the power building within you every time you focus your vision on the center of this design. Squeeze a drop of water onto the light blue color. Apply a stroke to the opposite side of the dark blue. Use the dark green color next. Apply a stroke on top of the dark blue and the bottom of the light blue. Remove extra green paint to make it more transparent looking. Embrace the vision of empowerment while creating this painting. Squeeze a drop of water onto light green color. Apply small strokes on both sides of the leftover space of the nail. Look at your painting and see if you wish to intensify any colors. Maybe bring more red color to the center to add more energy. Maybe your pink color can look more powerful. You may want to clean up some lines by using a clean, damp brush. You may want to give more dimension to the purple. Add a thin line closer to the center of empowering vortex. Intensify some dark blue. Your design now radiates positivity and empowerment. Let's continue to the nearby nails. Squeeze extra water to a light green color. Apply a wider stroke of light green color to the middle and pinky tips. Remove excess liquid. Continue with yellow color next. Apply it next to the green. Take out extra color to make it more transparent. Remember to clean up your brush between each color. The orange color goes next. Apply wider strokes outside of the yellow color. Take out extra liquid. Now say out loud, I am powerful, brilliant, and brave. You may give your design more dimension by adding dark green. And better transition by adding light green. Look at these dynamic colors that charge you with power. Let the paint dry completely. And choose your top coat. You have an option of combining glossy and matte top coats in one set of nails. Look at what you have created. An absolutely gorgeous and uplifting design. Let this vortex of energy empower your beautiful soul. Cure the top coat for 60 seconds. Repeat this video to make a design for the other hand. Wear these nails proudly when you need an extra upliftment. I will see you in the next video, beautiful soul.